Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I am super excited to share with you some amazing DIY birthday party decor ideas for Ben and Holly Little Kingdom theme. I will show how to make a fair band and hairband with a crown for Holly and elf hat for Ben. So let's get started. I ordered the pink hairbands on Amazon and made crown template design by myself in the Design Space program and then cut it out using the Cricut machine. It was quite simple. I will repeat it now with you. I took 6 triangles and arranged them with a slight overlap, then aligned them to be the same height. After that, I added a rectangle and made the bottom part of the crown. And finally, I welded all the elements together. And here's the size of my crown. Almost 4.5 by 1.5 inches. Now my crown is ready to cut. I use Basil Classic Yellow cardstock paper and cut all details for this project with my cutting machine Cricut. Here are our hairbands and crown cutouts. I roll up the crowns and glue it with a hot glue gun. Then attach the crown to the hairband. We squeeze out a drop of glue, let it dry a little bit, then attach the crown to the hairband and made a final connections on the sides. Let them dry and our crowns for Ben and Holly Little Kingdom are ready. Now let's make the second project, the Holly's Fairy Wand. I also repeat the design by myself in Design Space program. We need 1 star and 2 circles. To make the star, I took 2 triangles. Overlap one triangle with another, select 2 details and weld it. If we rotate our figure, you can see that our star is ready. And I also cut them with my Cricut. I assembled 1 star after another. I took barely art glue for it. Now the most difficult part of this project, drawing the same eyes and mouth by hand. Despite the simplicity of the smile, I created a stencil to ensure the face turned out as identical as possible. Now I took wooden sticks and they will be the handles for our magic wands. Look how cute they are. Well, finally, it's time for Ben the elf. I also bought these birthday hats on Amazon and cut out blue ribbon and leaves from cardstock paper. Since our hat is the shape of a cone, we need to make an arc ribbon from cardstock paper. And I will show how I made it in a Design Space program. I took 3 circles. One of them, the 12 inches. This is diameter of our hat. The second one is 9 inches. And the smallest one I made 8.2 inches. I select all 3 circles and align to the center. This is how it should turn out. After that I will select the smallest black circle and blue, then click slice. So this is how I will make a blue ring. But I don't need a ring, I need an arch. So I will add a square, resize it and make more than 12 inches. This is how I will make a cut. I select black square and blue ring, then click slice. Here we are. And now we need to remove all unnecessary elements. We select and press delete. This is how it should look like. And our last step, we have to make the ribbon a little bit shorter. We again add object to cut off the excess part. We select two elements and click slice. And again delete all unnecessary elements. Now our ribbon for the elf head is ready. You can repeat all the same and cut it with your Cricut. In short, let's talk about the leaf on the head. I found the image of the leaf on internet, uploaded to the design space and selected the settings to cut in one layer. There are all our details ready to assemble. But before that, I need to color the leaves. I decided to draw the lines on the leaves freehand. Now I will take a hot glue gun and attach the ribbon to the head. For this, I added a couple glue drops. We twist it, glue it, and ready. Now time to glue the leaf. And finally, the elf head is ready. And here we are. I absolutely love this easy and fun DIY decoration for Ben and Holly Little Kingdom birthday party. I hope you enjoy crafting with me today. Check out my YouTube channel for more fun DIY tutorials. And if you make any of these, please share your photos or tag me on social media. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!